Hey, it's you. Welcome back to round 2 of our tilt brush tutorial series. Last time we got things started by learning more about environments as well as their various effects on your paintings. But in this episode, we'll be diving even deeper into a wide variety of options available to artists, specifically the lighting tool. Joining us once again to help demonstrate exactly how this intuitive little device works is the legendary George Peaslee. Understanding the light tool is essential for any artist looking to take their work to the next level because it allows you to manipulate both the scene's primary and secondary colors, as well as the positions within it. Once you've finished up your work of art, hey, nice one, George, you can whip out the lighting tool from your canvas to get started. The lighting tool is accessible only in the advanced mode and is represented as a little sun-shaped icon. Once you're comfortable with your new custom palette, it's time to illuminate this baby. All of your lighting tool options are represented by a miniature model of our Earth. The sun, our brightest light out of the bunch, is responsible for casting major shadows across the scene, while the moon, on the other hand, provides a dimmer illumination with no shadows. Our third option, referred to as the fill light, creates an even distribution of both color and light throughout the scene, making it the perfect tool for recoloring shadows of your scene. The lighting effect is capable of turning a boring, run-of-the-mill sketch into a captivating composition. And for the most dramatic results, think of using an environment with a ground or object such as a pedestal. To manipulate these spheres of light, simply grab each object via the 3D representation of your canvas, as if you were playing with the sun and moon yourself. Easy, right? Just remember, all of the changes will have a direct effect on how your brushes will appear in the scene, unless, of course, you're working on the illustrative workspace. And that's lighting, folks. Remember, the difference between an amateur sketch and a professional masterpiece often comes down to the simplest changes in lighting.